Hello students, hope you all will be happy and healthy at your home. Students, I am Manorma Rani and today I am going to teach you class 12th lesson 2 and the topic is synthesis of sentences. Today we will learn part 2 of synthesis of sentences. In our first part, we have learned what is synthesis, type of synthesis and how to make simple sentence by using participle, infinite, nominative absolute, preposition before gerund or noun or phrases in apposition, adverb or adverbial clause, adjective and conjunction and. And today student, we will come to know about compound sentence and complex sentence. First of all, we will come to know what is compound sentence and how to combine two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence, and what is complex sentence and how to combine two or more simple sentences and make one single complex sentence. Okay student, so first of all we will come to know what is compound. Let's start our topic. What is compound sentence? Compound sentence has at least two clauses in which one is principal clause and other is coordinate clause. Coordinate clause always joined by coordinating conjunctions like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, etc. or by a semicolon. It means student, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस जिसे संयुक्त वाक्य भी कहते हैं में कम से कम दो क्लॉजेस होती हैं, जिसमें से एक क्लॉज प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज होता है और दूसरा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होता है। कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हमेशा कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन के साथ होता है और कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन क्या है? फॉर, एंड, नॉट, बट, और, येट, सो, एक्सेट्रा और बाय अ सेमीकोलन। सो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज एंड व्हाट इज कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज? यानी कि प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज क्या है और कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज क्या है? प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज को हम इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज भी कहते हैं और कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहते हैं। इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज मीन्स यह अपने में अपना अर्थ कंप्लीट करता है, यानी प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज अपने वाक्य को संपूर्ण करता है और इसे अपने वाक्य को पूरा करने के लिए किसी भी और क्लॉज की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ती है। लेकिन कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज अपना वाक्य पूर्ण नहीं कर पाता, यानी अपना अर्थ जो है ये कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाता और इसीलिए कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को पूरा करने के लिए किसी दूसरे क्लॉज की आवश्यकता पड़ती है। कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हमेशा कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है, जो फॉर, एंड, नॉर, बट और येट, सो एक्सेट्रा है और बाय अ सेमीकोलन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if you come to me, I will teach you. So students, there are two sentences. If you come to me, I will teach you. In these sentences, I will teach you is complete sentence, so it is principal clause. But if you come to me, this sentence is not complete, so we can say this is coordinating clause. Okay student, so let's start how to use coordinating conjunction to combine two or more simple sentences into compound sentence। यानी कि compound sentence बनाने के लिए coordinating conjunction का यूज हम कैसे करते हैं, ये हम coordinating conjunction के बारे में विस्तृत रूप से समझकर जानेंगे। So there are 4 type of coordinating conjunctions। First is cumulative conjunction, second is alternative conjunction, third is adversative conjunction, and fourth is elative conjunction। There are 4 part of coordinating conjunction। There are these 4 types we use to make compound sentence। How? Let's see here, students। First of all, we will come to know cumulative conjunction, how to use cumulative conjunctions to combine 2 or more simple sentences into one compound sentence। cumulative conjunction का मतलब होता है जोड़ बताने वाले, यानी वे सेंटेंस जिससे हमें एक दूसरे का संबंध पता चले, जो एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए होते हैं, उन सेंटेंसेस को कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हम cumulative conjunctions का यूज करते हैं। and what is these cumulative conjunctions? These are and, as well as, both, and, not only, but also, etc. For example, she took my pencil yesterday, she returned it today। in this sentence we find that both sentences are related with pencil। okay, she took my pencil and she returned it, it is said by for pencil। so we can say that here we use cumulative conjunction to make a compound sentence, and we join these sentences with the help of and cumulative conjunction। she took my pencil yesterday and returned it today। and the second example is he is gentle, his brother is also gentle। this sentence is joined by he and his brother। okay, we use here cumulative conjunction as well as he as well as his brother is gentle। in the same way, the third example is he was abused, he was beaten। he was not only abused but beaten also। okay, here we use not only but also conjunction। okay student, now let's see how to use alternative conjunction to combine 2 or more simple sentences to make one compound sentence। तो alternative conjunction means विकल्प बताने वाले, means to that conjunction that tell us options in sentences we use alternative conjunction। यदि वाक्यों में हमें ये पता चलता है कि ये ऑप्शन बताने वाले, विकल्प बताने वाले वाक्य हैं, तो उन्हें कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हम अल्टरनेटिव कंजंक्शन का यूज करते हैं। एंड दीज अल्टरनेटिव कंजंक्शंस आर either or, neither nor, or, otherwise, etc. For example, come on time, don't come at all। so either come on time or don't come at all, here we use either or alternative conjunction to make a compound sentence। second example is buy the book, leave the shop। now we here find 2 options, buy the book or leave the shop। we use here buy the book or leave the shop। so these type of sentences we use alternative conjunction to make to combine to make a compound sentence। and the third example is work hard, you will not pass। so work hard, otherwise you will not pass, here we use conjunction otherwise to make a compound sentence। okay students, now see here adversative conjunction। अपोजिटिव कंजक्शन यानी विरोध बताने वाले कंजक्शंस। इस तरह के कंजक्शन का यूज हम उस टाइप के सेंटेंस में करते हैं जो एक दूसरे से अपोजिट हो या जिसका विपरीत अर्थ निकलता हो। तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को कंपाउंड बनाने के लिए हम कौन से कंजक्शन का यूज करते हैं? एडवर्सेटिव कंजक्शन। एंड दीज कंजक्शंस आर but, however, yet, still, nevertheless, whereas, while, and etc. Okay, for example, he is rich, he is miser. Here we find that contrast two words, rich and miser. So we use here adversative conjunction but to make a compound sentence. He is rich but he is miser. And the second example is the teacher was angry, he said nothing. So we use yet. The teacher was angry yet he said nothing. And the third example is he is failed, he worked hard. He failed while he worked hard. Here we use while adversative conjunction to make a compound sentence. And how to use elative conjunction to make compound sentence, students? Elative conjunction means परिणाम बताने वाले conjunctions, परिणाम बताने वाले words means वे सेंटेंस जिसमें हमें रिजल्ट पता चलता है, जो परिणाम बताते हैं, उस तरह के वाक्यों को जोड़ने के लिए हम इलेटिव कंजक्शंस का यूज करते हैं एंड मेक अ कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. And these elative conjunctions are for, therefore, so, hence, either or, neither nor, etc. For example, we have to catch the train, we must make hasty. So we have to catch the train, so must make hasty. We use here conjunction so. I shall not oppose your plan, I can't approve of them. So neither I shall oppose your plan nor approve of them. So here we use neither nor conjunction to make a compound sentence. The way was long, the wind was cold. The way was long and the wind was cold. So in this way we make compound sentence and use elative conjunctions. And now we come to know about complex sentence. What is complex sentence? A complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and one of more dependent clause. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, but a dependent clause, even though it has a subject and verb, can't stand alone. Student, as I have told before, what is independent clause and what is dependent clause. So in complex sentence there are one independent clause and one or more dependent clause, यानी एक independent clause होता है और एक या एक से अधिक dependent clause होते हैं. डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज में सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब होने के बाद भी यह अपना वाक्य या अपना अर्थ कंप्लीट नहीं करता है और इसीलिए डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को पूरा करने के लिए किसी और क्लॉज की आवश्यकता पड़ती है. ओके स्टूडेंट, so let's see here how to combine two or more simple sentences into one complex sentence. Way to make complex sentence by using noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. So first of all we will come to know how we use noun clause to make a complex sentence. So let's look here students. Noun clause. Noun clauses is used in 5 types. These 5 types are subject to verb, object to verb, object to a preposition, complement to a verb and case in apposition to a noun. First of all we come to know these noun clause subject to verb. For example, how we make complex sentence with the use of noun clause, and the type is subject to verb. You are a doctor, it is known to all. So here we use subject to verb. You are, and we use that you are a doctor is known to all. And the second example is object to verb. Gaurav is a smart boy, every teacher knows it. So here we have to use object to verb. Every teacher knows it, what? That Gaurav is a smart boy. Okay. Now let's see how to use object to a preposition. We told you yesterday you must rely on time. You must rely on time, what we told yesterday. Complement to verb. For example, Kanika has failed in the examination. The reason is her carelessness. So the reason of Kanika's failure in the examination is that she is careless. Okay, she is careless. This is the complement to verb. Now let's see how to case in apposition to a noun. Apposition means side by side. So Indira Gandhi was shot dead. The news spread all over the country like a wildfire. So we here use Indira Gandhi was shot dead. This is the apposition of noun. The news that Indira Gandhi was shot dead spread all over the country like a wildfire. Okay, student? Now let's see how to use adjective clause to make a complex sentence. What is adjective clause? If in the second sentence something is said about the noun and pronoun of the first sentence, then make adjective clause of second sentence. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट कि यदि एक वाक्य में आए हुए नाउन या प्रनाउन के बारे में दूसरे वाक्य में कोई बात कही जा रही है, कोई बात की जा रही है, तो जो दूसरे वाक्य का एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज बना दिया जाता है. एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल कम टू नो व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. लेट्स सी हियर स्टूडेंट. एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज किसी रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन या किसी रिलेटिव एडवर्ब से बनता है एंड इन शब्दों को जिसकी विशेषता प्रकट की जा रही हो उसके पास ही रखते हैं. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन इज whose, who, that, which, whom, etc. And what is relative adverb? Why, when, where, how. So we use these type of adjective conjunctions, adjective, relative pronoun and relative adverb to make a complex sentence. For example, this is a town. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born here. So here we find Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is a noun and we find here relative adverb where. Use where. This is a town where Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born. She was weeping for some reason. Everyone knew the reason. Here we use why. Why is your adjective. Here is relative adverb. We use here why she was weeping. Okay. Everyone knew the reason why she was weeping. Here we use why, adverb clause why. Okay. Now let's see how to use adverb clause to make complex sentence. For making complex sentence from adverb clause, we need to use different conjunctions. यानी कि एडवर्ब क्लास से कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हमें अलग अलग कंजक्शंस का यूज़ करना पड़ता है। ये कंजक्शन समय के लिए, स्थान के लिए, परिणाम के लिए, रिजल्ट के लिए अलग अलग यूज़ होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल शोविंग टाइम, समय के लिए हमें किन कंजक्शन का यूज़ करना पड़ता है टू मेक अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस? व्हेन, wherever, while, since, after, before, as soon as long as, till and until. For example, she waited for her father, she waited till his arrival. We here use till conjunction. Till conjunction to make a complex sentence because till also present for showing time. She waited for her father, she waited till his arrival. She waited for her father till his arrival. Okay? And the second is showing place, यानी स्थान बताने के लिए मेन कंजक्शंस कौन कौन से हैं यूज करते हैं? Where, wherever. Swami Vivekanand went to many places. He was welcomed everywhere. Here also in this sentence we find that this sentence so place. Which place? Vivekanand was welcomed wherever he went. We use wherever conjunction to make complex sentence. Showing reason, यानी कारण का बताने वाले conjunctions because, as, since. For example, how to use these conjunctions to make complex sentence, student? Passengers pushed one another. They wanted to enter the compartment. So passengers push one to another because conjunction we use, they wanted to enter the compartment. Okay, here we use because conjunction and make a complex sentence. शोविंग कंडीशन यानी शर्त बताने वाले कंजक्शंस ये कौन कौन से हैं? इफ, अनलेस, इन, केस. टू मेक अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस वी यूज दीज टाइप ऑफ कंजक्शन विच शो कंडीशंस एंड मेक अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. वर्क हार्ड यू विल गेट सक्सेस. So we use if conjunction. If you will work hard, you will get success. Second example is showing comparison, यानी तुलना करने वाले जो conjunctions हैं, यानी तुलना करने वाला अगर sentence है और उसमें हम conjunction को use करते हैं to make a complex sentence, then we use these type of conjunctions as, so as, then, so. For example, Mohan is intelligent, Sohan is equally intelligent. So we can say Mohan is as intelligent as Mohan. Okay, student? Showing contrast, यानी अंतर बताने वाले conjunctions. तो we make a complex sentence with the help of these conjunctions which show contrast in sentences. These conjunctions are even, if, though, although. For example, how we use this conjunction? She is poor, she is honest. So, although she is poor, she is honest. So, these sentences also show contrast, poor and honest. So, we use these conjunctions even, if, though, although. एंड शोविंग रिजल्ट यानी परिणाम बताने वाले जो कंजक्शंस हैं उनके सो इन फर्स्ट क्लास. फर्स्ट क्लास में हम शो कंजक्शन का यूज करते हैं और सेकेंड क्लास में हम दैट का यूज करते हैं. कैसे? नाउ लेट्स सी हियर. शी वॉज क्वाइट टायर्ड, शी कुड स्कार्सली स्टैंड. She was so tired that she could scarcely stand. So we use here so in our first class and that in our second class. Okay, student? Showing purpose यानी उद्देश्य बताने वाले कंजक्शंस कौन कौन से हैं? In order to, so that, list. So when we combine sentences to make complex sentence, then we use these conjunctions for a sentence that present purpose. Okay, how we use? She worked hard, she wanted to stand first in the class. So she worked hard so that she might stand first in the class. Here we use so that. Showing manner, manner बताने वाले conjunctions as, so, for, as. For example, the bell rang, they all came up at once. We use this conjunction, they all came at once, as the bell rang. Okay, students? I think that you understood all these steps, how to make compound sentence and how to make complex sentence, how to combine two or more simple sentences into one complex sentence and two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. Okay, student? So this is your homework. Please note down it. The first is he is happy. He is poor. You have to change it into some complex sentence. Okay, student? And the second is he is very poor. He cannot buy a flat. You have to combine these sentence and make a simple sentence. And the third is the work was done. We went back home. You have to combine these sentence and make a simple sentence also. And the fourth is he was very busy, he could not come. You have to combine this sentence and make a compound sentence. 5. The girls played volleyball, the boys did not play. You have to join these sentences and make compound sentence. And the last is the doctor come, the patient had died. You have to combine this sentence and make a complex sentence. Okay, student? So I think that you understood all the steps of synthesis of sentences. Student, I will meet you in your next class. Till then, thank you and have a good day.